Thanks so much for staying with us this morning. We've got cloudy skies out there right now, and they're going to stay with us really for the next couple of days. But things are going to certainly change as we have another warm front and a cold front pushing through, and that all happens tomorrow. Taking a look at our impacts, what we're expecting for this week, that bomb cyclone that I mentioned earlier in the show, that's going to be pushing in, bringing us some widespread impacts. We also have multiple chances for precipitation for this coming week, but we start to see a little bit of a cool down, bringing us some additional snow chances as well. So let's take things hour by hour. So for tomorrow morning, we're noticing the leading edge of some showers starting to move through. They start off isolated and they turn a little bit more widespread, especially by about lunchtime. Hour by hour suggesting maybe a little bit of a break for our southern communities, but by about 4 o'clock, these showers and storms are going to push in, and they're going to ride pretty much right along the warm front that's situated all the way across the lake, really the leading edge, and then the Ohio-Michigan border. Those areas are going to see some moderate to heavy pockets, and as that's moving in, that could actually bring some of those stronger winds down to the surface. So wind gusts up to about 60 miles an hour possible. Notice now we're starting to see this more linear going down I-75. That is the cold front that is coming in then. And behind that, we'll start to calm down by about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. At least with the rainfall. We're going to notice then wind gusts rapidly picking up for us, and we'll kind of time this out here. So notice for tomorrow during the afternoon and evening, not really seeing too much. Now we still could have some of those higher gusts within the storms that are showing at least moderate to heavy rainfall, but by Monday we're going to see those wind gusts up to about 50 miles an hour, maybe even some higher gusts along the immediate lake shore. So it's going to be breezy, and those temperatures are going to also drop off as well, and you're going to feel that. Let's take a look here. So we're going to notice the warm front kind of lifting up to the north, similar to how we had yesterday. This time, though, a little bit further to the north. Notice many areas in the 60s, although southern Michigan is into the middle and upper 50s. As that cold front comes in just about 8 hours, it goes from feeling like 60 down to near 0 degrees. So quite the rapid change with the weather that we are expecting. Storm Prediction Center does have the southern half of our viewing area outlined for maybe a marginal risk of a few stronger storms, pretty much from Route 6 and points down to the south. Not a significant severe risk. I think the greatest thing we'll be tracking is going to be those wind gusts up to about 60 miles an hour, and then the rainfall, of course. Now, I think our model is overdoing it just a little bit, but if we were to take anything away from this, notice we're going to have likely some locally heavier amounts that's set up along that warm front. So that will be something that we need to monitor as well. Likely some water ponding on the roadways. This weekend, we're looking at 30s with mostly cloudy skies for today. For tomorrow, we're warming up quite a bit up into the 60s. We'll have, of course, that widespread rain moving on in, and then temperatures start to really drop off as we turn in towards Monday. A few flurries on the backside could lead to a dusting by Tuesday, still only into the middle 20s, and then by next weekend, still staying cold in the middle 30s, but a few more chances for rain and snow. Sophia?